scintillating door, you're gonna see me there, just sitting on my own. I hear the people laugh, but I just check my clock. I've never been the best. We've mingled as more talk, and then I hear a crash behind my back. One glass of mulled wine rains down my jacket, then I see you blushing, and suddenly it's clear when I look at you that Christmas is here. Look, I'm not even sure, my mind's a little clouded, but it looks like Christmas is here.
My sweater with Santa in space, I tell you it's a gift from the owner of this place.
And then you're looking up and tell me with a glow, it looks like we stand under a mistletoe. And then we feel a bump
behind our back,
somebody pushing you,
or the table cracks.
And then I'm thanking Santa,
this must be a sign,
'cause your funny space sweater
is now full of wine. sitting on your own, decide to break the ice by setting up the tone. for a way to finally catch your eye. Couldn't think of nothing better than a glass of spilled wine. You tell me, don't you think this party's very loud? That's why you whispered in my ear, let's find another place and leave behind this crowd, 'cause Christmas is finally